Okay. You now have a new computer right out of the box and it just has the basic pre-installed software. Here's a list of some great free and open software every new Windows computer needs to have. Just beware, not all of the software is free. Firefox replaces Internet Explorer. If you haven't switched to Firefox for your web browsing needs, do it now. It stops annoying pop-ups and it has tons of amazing plugins that can make surfing the web even better. Thunderbird replaces Microsoft Outlook or Eudora. It's free, it's full-featured, it's lightweight and runs quick. It also spams filter. It also protects you from those ridiculous phishing attacks by clearly indicating which emails send you to a bogus website. Sunbird replaces Microsoft Outlook's calendaring functions. Pigeon allows you to be on AOL Instant Messenger, Windows, MSN Messenger, and Yahoo Messenger simultaneously with one program. BitTorrent allows you to download large media files and also use your bandwidth to help others download these files. GIMP version of the GNU image manipulation program that does a pretty solid job of imitating Adobe Photoshop. Gnucleus free peer-to-peer file sharing, peer-to-peer, client for Windows, OS X, Linux, and Solaris. VLC Media Player. If you have too many different media players such as Windows Media Player, QuickTime, Real Player, VLC Media Player is your all-in-one program. Juice. The software lets you effortlessly subscribe to podcasts, organize them, and listen to them at your convenience. In conjunction with Podnova. Audacity is great for voice recording purposes for podcasts. Sal is one of many open-source RSS readers. In other words, it enables you to use one program to keep track of the content of a lot of different blogs. FileZilla. If you ever need to transfer files in such a fashion, FileZilla will do the job slickly and quickly. KeePass is a program that securely stores and manages the abundance of passwords we all use daily. ABWord. The Microsoft Word may be too expensive for you, so ABWord word processor is a less expensive version. OpenOffice replaces Microsoft Excel and Microsoft PowerPoint. It's a free and open source productivity suite. Free alternative for office productivity tools. Clamwit. This antivirus software that's quite easy to manage and is unobtrusive while keeping your system free of viruses. Veracrypt enables you to create a virtual encrypted disk within a file and keep your data storage device safe for all your personal information. PDF Creator easily creates PDFs from any Windows program. Use it like a printer in Word, Excel, or any other Windows application. FreeMind. This mind mapping software enables you to brainstorm and link together ideas quickly, creating maps of concepts similar to what you might do on a whiteboard. NASA Whirlwind. This software is similar to Google Earth. Notepad 2 has new features such as multiple documents, line, word, and character counts, and some highlighting of tags. Health Monitor checks on the health of your computer and alerts you when you have issues. HandBrake. HandBrake is an open source transcoder for digital video files. Its primary purpose is to convert videos from supported source formats to MP4 or MKV format. XChat 2 is a multi-platform chat program. Workrave. This is a free software application intended to prevent computer users from developing or aggravating occupational diseases such as carpal tunnel syndrome, repetitive strain injuries, or myopia. Nucash is a lighter version of Microsoft Money and Quicken packages. This software helps you manage your money. Gantt PV. This is a similar software program to Microsoft Project. True Combat Elite. If you like games, download this free combat game on your PC and have a little fun. Hope this information about essential software helps you. Don't forget to click the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching.